in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get your 4,000 watch hours, even if you are very lazy. Now, to prove to you that I know what I'm talking about, let me quickly show you something right here. Okay, now if you check my screen here, you realize that just one single video was able to give me 1.1k watch hours. You get me? And if you check this video, you can see that just one single video was able to give me 1.3k watch hours. You get me? If you check this video, you can see that just one single video was able to give me 1.9k watch hours. You understand? So I know what I am talking about when I say I'm going to show you a method that is actually very lazy, yet you're going to get your watch hours from YouTube. Okay, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end, and it's really going to help you. You understand? Now, before I show you the full tutorial on what you are actually going to do, right, I first of all want you to understand the basics of getting watch hours on YouTube. You understand? Now, the basics of getting watch hours on YouTube is that you need to get views. You understand? And those views will bring you the watch hours. I hope it is clear. No one on earth here has ever got 4,000 watch hours without getting views on a channel. It can never happen. So what happening now here is that how do we get views on our channels? So that you can actually get more watch hours, because more views is equal to more watch hours. You get me? So let me take you through the step-by-step tutorial. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is that you come to Google and you search for Creative Fuel AI, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to leave the link in the description and in the comment section so that you don't do the wrong thing, right? Once you go to Creative Fuel, this is the interface you're going to see, right? So what this website is going to help us to do is that it's going to help us to get viral video ideas from viral videos, right? And also from successful creators, okay? And you are going to copy and steal them professionally, okay? Please don't go and steal someone's content without watching this video to the end. You need to do it in a professional way, and you must watch your master do it. Okay, that's just by me. Okay, so click on sign up here, and then I'm gonna sign up with my Google address. Yes, so once I sign up, it's gonna bring me to this particular interface here. So here you are going to enter your YouTube channel, handle. You get me? So yeah, so this is my YouTube handle, right? So once I've entered it here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on build profile. Okay, so I'm taking you through this step by step so that you can see what I'm talking about. So it's actually going to scan your channel and detect what you're actually doing on your channel without telling it anything. And this is why I say it is for lazy people. You get me? So let's wait and see what happens. Great. So at this point here, what we're gonna do is to just click on continue. I click on continue, and then continue again. Okay, so look at something here. It says which channels inspires you. So it means that it has been able to detect channels that are doing what I am doing. Okay, then I'll click on finish. Congrats. And then I'll click on let's go. You get me? Great. This is where we are. So it is by default, it is at the ideas section. Okay, so here what you're gonna do is that you don't have any ideas yet. So we're gonna click on generate new video ideas, right? So I'm gonna click on it. We're gonna do reimagine, right? So here we are going to apply concept of unsuccessful videos specific to our audience. Okay, click on select. So once you click on that, it's going to show you various videos based on the channels that are doing what you are also doing, including your own videos, right? So as you can see, it is showing me video from TubeBuddy here, another video from TubeBuddy, another video from Make Money Maths, and a whole lot here. Okay, so this is what I mean by stealing. Okay, so here what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go through these channels here or these videos here and see one that you think the audience will be interested in, and you are going to steal from them, or let me say we are actually going to copy from them. You get me? So let me look for a video that will be in the interest of my audience. Okay, this video will be in the interest of my audience, right? So how to monetize on YouTube from day one, right? So I'm gonna click on this thing here, right? And look at what is going to happen. So, once I click on it, it's going to say generate ideas, right? I'll click on generate ideas. So, it is going to show me how to recreate this YouTube video from start to finish. So, first of all, it has given me various video ideas, right? So, it says the original video ideas, how to monetize on YouTube from day one. And look at the video ideas it has given me. How to boost subscriber count from day one. How to boost subscriber count from day one matches this. So it is doing this just to increase my chances of going viral or getting more views. Just like this guy actually got. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll come to this section here, right? And I'm going to click on this three dots and then I'll click on plan video, right? Great. Once I click on plan video, it's going to help me to plan my entire video. And you just follow me. You'll be amazed, right? So it is asking, have you written a full script for this video? No, I haven't, right? So I'm gonna click on this one here. No, you want to include it in the video. So if you want to include any other thing here for the AI to get understanding of the video, you can include it here. But if you are lazy just like me, you can leave it just like that, okay? And look at the third option here. Yes, so I want outline and full script. So I'll click on this one. And then I'll scroll down a little bit. Then I'll come to generate video details, right? So now, you are going to see something magical here. Just relax. This is beautiful. So look at what it has done here. So that's actually given us 5 things here. And we are going to take you through all these 5 things for you to get better understand. So first of all, this is the video title. Okay? You are going to use this title for your YouTube video. You get me? And when we come to the thumbnail section too, you can see that it has even given you the option to upload your thumbnail here. So for instance, let me upload a thumbnail here, right? It has given me the option to upload my thumbnail, right? And I've uploaded my thumbnail here. So this thumbnail you're uploading here is just to help you see how your video will look like. And you are doing everything on this site, and that is why I say it actually makes your things easy, right? It also gives you thumbnail inspirations. Look at other people's thumbnails. So it's simply telling you that you can watch these guys, how they did their thumbnail, and recreate their thumbnail. So isn't it a lazy approach? That is very lazy. And the most interesting part, which I like very most, is this section here, which is the metadata, right? Or the metadata, however you call it. Okay. So you come to metadata, and this is what I like about it. It has given me the tags that I have to use for my video. So all you have to do is to just come to this section here and click on copy. Right? You copy your tags and then you take it to YouTube and you paste them there. No thinking. No going to ChatGPT. You are doing everything right here. Apart from the tags, it has also given me a detailed description here. And not just description, it has also given me the video chapters actually. You understand? So I don't know how to put it, but this thing is actually magical because it has also given me the pattern in which I have been doing my description. Okay, now if you check my description right now, realize that all my videos, my description follows a certain format, and it is the same format it has given me here. Okay, so there's no need in wasting your time to type your description manually. This thing is actually going to do it for you. And once it has done it for you, all you have to do is to just come to this section here and then copy your description, and that is all. You understand? Now let's go to the last three, the scripts. Okay, so for those of you who like to make your video based on scripts, this is also going to help you. Though personally I don't like the scripts here 100%, right? But it's really going to help you. You can see that it has given you the outline, okay, of how you should go about your script here, and it's really going to help you. Okay, if you want the full verbatim script, it is also here. As you can see, this is a full verbatim script, okay, but I don't normally like verbatim scripts. So if you like verbatim scripts, then this is good for you. Okay, apart from helping you to, get views on your channels and helping you to get your watch hours, it is also going to help you to monetize your channel as well. Look at something here. When it comes to this section here, that is monetize, right? It's going to give you ways of monetizing that particular video based on the title. So my video is about, subscribers, right? So it is telling me that I can recommend TubeBuddy to my audience and I can actually make money from there, which is true because TubeBuddy is a tool that helps YouTubers to grow their channel, get more subscribers, you understand? So it seems that in my description I can put TubeBuddy there and I'm going to make videos there. I can also introduce, story blocks to my viewers and I'm going to make money there through affiliate marketing, same as Amazon affiliate and vidIQ. So they will make you more lazy because instead of you doing this in manually, it's just showing you what to do. That is it. Okay. And the most interesting part of all is that after everything, it's going to preview your video for you. So let's click on preview and let's see something right here. So look, it's showing me how my video will look like on YouTube homepage. And look at it here. See, there are a couple of videos here. And you can see mine here. I have not published this video yet. In fact, I am doing this with you and you can see it here. You can see my channel here, my title here. You get seen. It will help you to know whether your video stands out or not. So if it does not stand out, now go ahead and change your thumbnail even before you film your video and you publish your video. You understand? So when I started my YouTube channel, if I knew this tool, like I would have gone far. Yes, because I don't know, this is not a promotional video, but I found this tool to be very, very good, okay? Because if you are able to follow the steps in this particular site, it will make your process as a YouTuber, very, very easy, right? And trust me, I'm going to get more views on my channel. And as I said, the views will bring you the watch hours you want, okay? But if your problem is, getting more subscribers on YouTube, then I want you to watch this video right here, and it's really going to help you to get a lot of subscribers very fast. Thanks for watching my Prince, and then see you in my next video.